Hey you guys, welcome back to my vlog. It's gonna be a few days in the life, holiday edition. I have lots of fun holiday plans. Happy December 1st. Tonight my boyfriend Nick and I are going to Siena Mercato, an Italian restaurant in Pittsburgh. They always decorate it really nicely for Christmas. There's always like lots of pretty lights, so we're gonna do that tonight. It's been a crazy day. My work laptop broke down and I had to deal with that, so that was fun. But anyway, it's like the end of the day and I just changed and did my makeup for dinner. This weekend is also Nick and I's 3-year dating anniversary, which is exciting, so we'll take you along with that. And right now I want to show you guys my advent calendars. I actually got 3 this year. My mom gave me 2 of them as part of my Christmas presents, and 1 I bought on my own, so I'll give you guys a little review of those. This is my little Christmas setup. I love it. I got this snow globe at Nordstrom Rack, as well as this tree that says joy. And the other 2 trees are from Primark, and then the one in the front is from Amazon. It lights up, but I need to change the batteries, but I'm really liking that. And now here are the advent calendars. There's one that's a wine advent calendar, and this one is 12 days. And then this is a beauty advent calendar. My mom got me both of these from QVC. Then I got this one myself from Sugarfina. It's a candy advent calendar, so I think I'm gonna open this one first. As you can see, this one is pretty big. It's every day. Let's start with today. Day 1. What do we have here? Ooh, some sort of chocolate. This looks so yummy. It doesn't say what they are, but it looks just like some little chocolate balls. I think I'm gonna save my wine calendar and start this one tomorrow because I need to leave soon. But let's open this one up and see what's in it. Oh no, my battery's blinking. This one's also pretty big. Day 1 wake up call solution for dry and aging skin, overnight regenerative facial treatment. So it looks like some kind of mask. Overall, I'm pretty satisfied with both calendars for day 1. I'm just gonna show you guys my outfit on my phone. Don't mind the cords back there. That's my whole laptop debacle. But I'm wearing this black bodysuit from Express. This white sweater is so old. It's from Hollister, but I like wear it every year around the holidays. And then these are my Wild Fable jeans, and I'm gonna pair it with black combat boots. It just feels wrong that my nails are pink. It feels like they definitely should be red. It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside, 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 outside. It's cold outside, outside, outside. Cold outside, outside, outside. Drinking a pumpkin coffee in December. Anybody else just prefer fall flavors over Christmas ones? Because I definitely do. I feel like the chestnut praline, like I wanted to like it and I tried to like it, but it's just too sweet for me. Same with peppermint mocha. I do have this drink that I sort of created myself. It's vanilla sweet cream cold foam with peppermint syrup. And that's pretty good. It's not as sweet, but it's still like a little bit sweeter, and I feel like you have to be in the mood for it, whereas like pumpkin is so perfectly balanced. But I came to Starbucks because I need to take a run to the Goodwill and drop off some old clothes that I'm getting rid of. And you know, Starbucks is on the way, so why not? But I've actually been really cutting back on my Starbucks consumption. I feel like Starbucks is just, okay, this is like take 3. For some reason, my phone keeps cutting out. I have enough storage, so I don't know why. But anyway, I was saying that like all the Starbucks I feel like have been really inconsistent on the drinks, and they raised their prices so much. So I don't, for like a drink that I didn't even ask for. And I also don't want to be the person that sends it back. So as a result, I've just been cutting back on my Starbucks consumption. So let us do some advent calendars. Day 2. Here is the Sugarfina advent calendar. I like how this one kind of goes in order. It's not too hard to find. Ooh, what are these? Focused so poorly, it's just easier to kind of show from this perspective, but they're just like little red beaded gummies. We have this big box from Pottery Barn here because this is my nightstand. I had to send it back because it was scratched. But let us open this one. Day 2. I feel like this is going to be some sort of like bath item. Oh no, I was totally wrong. Oh my gosh, this is really nice. Josie Marin whipped argan oil. That's cool. That's like a really nice sized product. I still can't get to the wine calendar. I'm just gonna have to pull it out and show you. Oh my gosh, day 1 is my favorite wine, Pinot Noir. Yay! We have secured our Chick-fil-A, which I feel like every time I vlog I get Chick-fil-A, which is kind of funny because I really don't get Chick-fil-A that much, like maybe once a month. But I'm gonna eat this and then go to Bath & Body Works Candle Day, one of the best days of the year. I always go to Candle Day, gotta stock up. I need some classic Christmas favorites as well as some for the rest of the year. I also think I might try to do my first ever YouTube shorts and do the haul on there, but we'll see how that goes. Successful mall trip. I got my candles. I'll show you guys later. I also got some things at Victoria's Secret for myself. I used 2 coupons and they were having stuff on sale. So I ended up getting a lot of things for not that much money. And then I also got 2 Christmas gifts for people, but I'm not going to say what they are because both of those people sometimes watch my channel. So not telling you if you know who you are. But I'm going to head home now. I think I might stop off at the car wash, get my car washed, and then head home and probably just chill and watch some YouTube for the rest of the night. Okay, so I'm back home. I can't film in my usual spot because my nightstand has to be taken out of the box. It's really heavy and I need my dad to do it for me. But let me show you guys what I got. First, I picked up some things from Victoria's Secret. It's been like so long since I shopped at Victoria's Secret. I think the last time I bought something there was probably like last year during the holidays. But they were doing like lots of promotions. I was able to use 2 coupons and then I got this tote for free. I picked up this like long sleeve thing that says pink for nighttime because I actually have the matching joggers. They were showing them in store and that's actually what I picked up last year, was like these black charcoaly gray colored joggers. And I thought this would be actually really nice to have like a matching nighttime set. And then I also got these PJs for Christmas. They're really cute. They're green and red with like a little gold stripe plaid detail. I love them. I used to never be a PJ girly. I used to always just wear like big t-shirts and sweats. But recently, within like the last year, I think because of all the pressure of social media, I've converted to PJ sets. And I actually really like them. and I'm trying to grow my collection, so I thought this pair would be really nice for Christmas. I also got a free pair of underwear, but I'm not going to show that on camera. And then, like I said, I did do some Christmas shopping for 2 other people, but I'm not going to show that. And this is my Bath & Body Works haul. I got this aromatherapy orange ginger shower gel. I got this for free. And then for the candles, I got 5 candles. I got my absolute favorite holiday scent, Fresh Balsam. Smells like the Christmas tree farm that Taylor Swift grew up on. Just so fresh. I love this scent. It's not like overbearing either. Like, they've done a couple spin-offs of this one that I just don't like. They're like very cologne-y and heavy. Like, I don't like sweater weather, but Fresh Balsam, that's where it's at. I got 'Tis the Season. I can't decide if I like the packaging or not. I do like love the little truck with like the Christmas tree over it in general, but I feel like this one kind of looks tacky. But this is the only packaging they had for this scent, and this scent is like also maybe tied with Fresh Balsam for like my favorite holiday scent. It just smells so cinnamony and good. It just smells like all these wonderful spices combined together. And then I got Marshmallow Fireside. Last year I got this one and started burning in January after the holidays. I feel like it's a nice transitional candle into winter because it's still kind of like this wintry vibe, but it's not like super holiday. It doesn't scream holidays. It's just kind of like a muted vanilla. I would describe this one as like a muted burnt vanilla. Then I got Island Margarita. I've actually never had this one in a candle. I've gotten it in hand soap a couple times, and I just thought this would be fun for spring and summer, and I could save it for then. I feel like this smells like pear. It smells like a pear margarita. I don't smell any tequila in that. Nick doesn't typically watch my videos unless I make him, but I did get Nick an Ocean for Men candle because his apartment has to smell nice when I come over. And this smells good. It smells like Guy's cologne, but like a soft Guy's cologne, not like Abercrombie & Fitch Guy's cologne.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this.
So it's Saturday, and I'm going to give you guys a little update. Today is Nick and I's 3-year anniversary. We're going to Phipps. We do this every year. Phipps is a conservatory in Pittsburgh, and they have these gorgeous flower displays. It's up all year round, but they have a special Christmas one, and we go there every year. So we're going to that, and we're also going to eat pizza and drink wine at Mercurio's. That's another tradition that we have. I got Nick an advent calendar for our anniversary, and it has like all the Keurig K-pods, or it has all the Keurig pods, K-cups, pods. I don't know, I don't have a Keurig, but I thought that would be a fun like anniversary gift, and today is December 3rd, so he can pretty much use it for the rest of the month. And don't mind my messy room. Again, my room is like in process because I keep getting like all of this new furniture, and I'm trying to like clean out my closet, and it's just been chaos and really hard to keep clean. But this is my outfit. I got this tank top from Express last year. It's like this gray muted sequin tank top, and I'm wearing it with my like charcoal gray American Eagle mom jeans, and then I'm gonna wear these little black express booties, which I discovered yesterday. So yeah, I'm all ready. I'm going to pack up my purse and then head to Nick's.
Let's go outside. The snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas.
So it's Sunday morning. I just got my Dunkin'. I'm heading home from Nick's. We had an absolutely wonderful time yesterday. Phipps was gorgeous. And I just wanted to end my vlog here. I don't know how many more Christmas vlogs I'm going to be doing. Probably at least one more. But thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.